forward. Kumar, I heard that you won a watch in a last year raffle. Is that true?
Yes, Namrata, this is the one.
Oh, that's really great. Let's see then who will be the next lucky one.
I'd like to call Ashish on the stage, please, to go off the raffles. And I request Kayush Shah to pick up the chit from the ball. Rushabh Shah! Congratulations, Rushabh.
Let's move forward for the second cheat.
Who will be the another lucky winner?
Sagar Panchal.
Sagar Panchal! Many congratulations.
Now let's pick up the third cheat.
The lucky winner is.
Nawaz Hussain Sheikh.
Oh! Nawaz, there's a seat for you. Congratulations!
Thank you, Kayur.
Thank you, Ashish. Thank you so much.
Vishnu Priya, how long have you been at Archer?
Almost 8 months. I need to wait another 4 months for 1 year gift.
Oh, it's just about 4 months. No worries. Okay. Now, time has come to call for the another set of employees who have completed 3 years at Archer. Requesting Nava to please come up on the stage.
Thank you, Nava.
So, the first one goes to Dr. Vipul Kapadia.
Congratulations, Vipul.
Many congratulations, Vipul. Sarfaraz Khan.
Oh,
Congratulations, Sarfaraz. Daksha Parmar.
congratulations, Sharfaraz. Move on to the
Moving ahead with Falguni Kumar Soni. Falgun Kumar Soni. My bad. Well, that was purposely.
गरबा का टाइम है, फाल्गुनी मैम तो याद आनी है.
Congratulations, Falgun. moving ahead with Rachit Mahajan. Congratulations, Rachit. Dr. Nikunj Parmar.
इनका स्वैग ही अलग है.
Congratulations, Dr. Nikunj.
निकुंज भाई, अगला
Next.
केबीसी होस्ट कर सकते हो आप.
Next we have is Vipul Valvi.
Oh, वल्वी साहब. Ew.
Can we have Vipul Valvi on stage?
विपुल वाल्वी.
Continue with the another set of employees. Jignesh Dave.
ओ जिगा भाई. I would want Jiga bhai to say a few words.
Congratulations, Jignesh.
Congratulations, Jiga bhai.
इंतजार इसीलिए लग रहा है क्योंकि आपको आचर में ही रहना है, जिग्नेश.
Jiga bhai.
Congratulations.
Sujitra.
Next.
Bhishma Kumar Joshi. Congratulations, Sahil. Shreja Pillai. Congratulations, Shreja.
Can somebody from backstage help her? Congratulations, Srija.
Khushbu Tiwari. Congratulations, Khushbu. Suhail Mansoori.
Oh,
Okay, he's not here. Adil Zafar.
oh.
Congratulations, Adil. Many congratulations to all. Thank you, Nava. Thank you, Kishore.
But we have a spectacular group dance performance lined up.
Jeet, it's not only a dance, it's an essence of Gujarat. Can you guess the
guesses?
name?
Any guesses?
It's not audible. Be louder. It's Garba!
So guys, let's welcome Ruchi, Swapnil, Kinjal and Nishit.
The Khelayas of Gujarat.
Hey, hello!
Hello!
मोर बनी तन काट करे मन मोर बनी तन काट करे मोर बनी तन काट करे मन मोर बनी तन काट करे मोर बनी तन काट करे मन मोर बनी तन काट करे मोर बनी तन काट करे मन मोर बनी तन काट करे ओ रंग रसिया क्या रमिया गया रास जो रंग रसिया क्या रमिया गया रास जो
बेचवाने जावा मैयारा रे को कोड गामना हमें मैयारा रे को कोड गामना घर रे मेघ कटा गगन गगन कर जाट करे घुमरी घुमरी कर जाट भरे जी जी रे
जरूर है मेरा ही सुरूर है आंखों में गुरूर है ख्वाब का कसूर है मोर बने तन तन करे मन मोर बने तन करे धीमा धीमा धक्का रे बोलू ए बाबा क्या रे धीमा धीमा धक्का रे बोलू झूमे अंग अंग जाने कूड़े रे पतंग सौ ट्रेने रे मलंग गाए भैया नो हेलो सौ ट्रेने रे मलंग गाए भैया नो हेलो सौ ट्रेने रे मलंग गाए भैया नो हेलो
Did you?
No.
Oh.
So moving on to the next performances. But before that, Vishnupriya, I'm sure you've heard of finance, the word
Yes.
finance.
Yes.
So what comes to your mind when you hear finance?
Only three things. Money, money, money.
Oh, we ain't getting any money here.
What?
We're getting no money here.
Really?
So it's just our finance team, okay, going to recreate a small corporate world in front of you guys on this stage, wherein we will be able to go ahead and relate on this part of it. So please welcome humans of corporate.
And for something different, there is a performance full of money. So welcome the humans of corporate.
Team Finance.
इस कहानी की सभी घटनाएं काल्पनिक है। इसका किसी भी व्यक्ति या घटना से कोई लेना देना नहीं।
ये बनकर क्या लेना देना रखा है। पिछले साल भी ये लेके आया था, इस साल भी ये लेके आया, कुछ नया लेके आ। जा बाबू चक जा। आओ बहनों आओ।
हाँ जी, गुड इवनिंग।
हाँ जी, गुड इडियम।
हाउ आर यू?
डूइंग गुड, हाउ अबाउट यू?
डूइंग गुड। यू नो सलोनी, टुडे वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड इज कमिंग फॉर इंटरव्यू और उसको वैसे मैंने सारे लुकअप्स तो सिखा दिए। आई रियली होप उसको जॉब मिल जाए यार।
अरे जॉब मिलेगी मिलेगी, ज़रूर मिलेगी।
You, please come with us.
गुड इवनिंग।
Good evening.
What is your name?
चबा।
आपका नाम क्या है?
मोहम्मद विराट कोहली।
ये कैसा नाम हुआ?
मोहम्मद विराट कोहली।
एजुकेशन बैकग्राउंड?
बहुत बढ़िया बहुत बढ़िया।
बहुत बढ़िया, बट क्या?
IT US।
Sorry, can you elaborate?
बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट डिग्री है, बहुत ही कम लोगों को ये मिलती है।
What skills you have?
मुझे सब आता है, मैं एक्सपर्ट हूँ।
Okay, then sell this potato.
आलू ले लो, कांदा ले लो।
Please stop.
Do you have any question for us?
यस, CTC क्या होगा?
10 लाख।
10 लाख? क्या करूंगा मैं इतनी धनराशि का? पैसा ही पैसा होगा।
Wait. First, as per our company's policy, you will need to sign a 2 years of bond.
चन्ना मेरे आ मेरे आ, चन्ना मेरे आ मेरे आ, चन्ना मेरे आ मेरे आ।
यार ये क्या हो रहा है? My headset is not working.
And Raj, you know what? My server is not working.
मेरा कीबोर्ड नहीं चल रहा है। How I am supposed to work?
ये क्या चल रहा है?
बहन डर गई।
Guys, what happened?
My headset is not working.
My server is not working.
And my keyboard is not working.
Oh, 5 problem, 1 solution. अब ये काम तो एक ही इंसान कर सकता है।
वो है कौन?
पहचान कौन?
छोटा
इश्यूज सबके रिजॉल्व होंगे, पर होंगे उसी के जो टिकट रेस करेगा।
पत्थर है वो, मुझे रोक टोक कहते हैं लोग, पर मुंह सा है मेरा जानू। नश्तर है वो, यही दूर दूर गूंजे फितूर, पर बादशाह है मेरा जानू। हो कड़वी है बोली, दिल है रंगोली, इसमें पत्थर क्यों लोग देखते हैं, मुझको तो दिखता है इसमें कोई सनम। अंगारों का अंबर सा लगता है मेरा सामने, मेरी राहों में फूलों का रास्ता है मेरा सामने।
Hey guys, get back to work. अरे आज अदिति की लोन डिसबर्स करनी है।
अरे अदिति नहीं, शीतल।
अरे शीतल शाम को 5 बजे आए या रात को 12 बजे आए, शीतल तो शीतल है, शीतल अदिति नहीं है ना।
अरे अदिति ही शीतल है।
पर तू तो बोला अदिति निशा है।
अरे निशा तो मुन्नी है ना।
अरे तो फिर अदिति कौन है?
अरे अदिति भी मुन्नी है।
चुप, सबके सब चुप, अब भगवान ही बचा है।
कहो बालक,
माँ आप ही कुछ दिशा दिखाइए।
अब ये दिशा कौन है?
ए मूर्खा,
ये दिशा है।
ये कह रहा है कि अदिति शीतल है, शीतल मुन्नी है, और ये बोलता है कि शीतल निशा है, और आप बोल रहे हो कि निशा दिशा है। मैं पागल हो जाऊंगा माँ, मैं पागल हो जाऊंगा।
बालक, दिशा एक, लोन अनेक। उसने अलग अलग नाम से 10 लोन ली है।
तुझे सब है पता है ना माँ।
सर हमने गलत लोन रुकवा दी।
तुम्हें क्या लगता है मालिक खुश होंगे, शाबाशी देंगे? जाओ दूसरा पेमेंट प्रोसेस करो।
मालिक अब आ गए। हमने चिटकुले एंड चिटकुले को लक्ष्मी चिट फंड होने से बचा लिया।
मालिक अब इतना खर्चा हुआ ही है तो एक प्रमोशन दे ही दो।
प्रमोशन?
हाँ જોઈએ।
अरे क्या करूं मैं इनका, मार भी नहीं सकता, प्यार जो कर दे मुझसे।
भगवान का दिया हुआ सब कुछ है, दौलत है, शौहरत है, इज्जत है, प्रमोशन भी दे देंगे, पर तुम्हें सिटी चेंज करनी पड़ेगी।
नहीं मालिक, मैं अपने मालिक की जुदाई बर्दाश्त नहीं कर पाऊंगा।
तेरी जुदाई का गम मैं सह लूंगा रे बांडिया। तू जा रे।
प्लीज बोल दो कि ये झूठ है।
होल्ड ऑन, लेट मी स्पीक विथ HR.
What happened?
These guys need promotion.
હાય. પ્રમોશન જોઈએ? એક જોઈએ છે કે બે? 3 જોઈએ છે? આ તો એકદમ ફ્રેશર લાગે છે. But let me check the policy.
वादों से अपने मुकरता नहीं, मरने से मैं कभी डरता नहीं।
कोई कहीं नहीं जाएगा. There is one special announcement for you guys.
बिग बॉस चाहते हैं कि न्यू टैलेंट्स को एप्रिसिएशन एंड प्रमोशन मिले इन द सेम सिटी।
गंगनाम लाओ के कड़क आजा अतुल लाओ।
This is the sound of Ajay Atul. Bring it on, baby.
Yeah, bring it on, baby. पोर जमली येशीवरती चर्चा बोरिंग झाली. चल र भावड्या पार्टीला मग पारावरती आली. टपरी माग रिचली क्वार्टर भावड्याला मग बसला स्टार्टर. चल र पिंट्या मिटवू आपल्या डिस्को डान्सिंग खाजेला. डॉल्बी वाल्या बोलाव माझ्या डीजेला. डॉल्बी वाल्या बोलाव माझ्या डीजेला. डॉल्बी वाल्या बोलाव माझ्या डीजेला. डॉल्बी वाल्या बोलाव माझ्या डीजेला.
Hello.
Wow, team, what an electrifying performance.
What a skit, man.
Well, Jeet, I was just wondering, have you been lucky enough to get a raffle?
Don't you know I was a raffle in my previous organization?
You and
Yes.
a raffle?
Yes.
That also of 6 feet?
Yeah.
Oh my God, Jeet, stop it.
Sometimes.
Don't you
believe
worry.
things.
This time you might surely get to win a raffle. So, moving ahead for the third round of raffles.
I would like to call Keyur on stage, and I would request Ashish to put the chits from the lucky draw and announce the lucky winners. Guys, please give a round of applause for Keyur.
जया तिलवानी.
Oh! Jaya Tilwani.
Many congratulations.
Congratulations, Jaya. The next lucky winner is
वृषांक कार्णिक.
Oh, या वृषांक भाऊ या लवकर या. आणि टीव्ही घ्या. Congratulations, वृषांक. Nick Deep, there's my name inside it. Nick Deep. Congratulations, Prashant. So the next lucky winner is
Suraj R. Shive.
Oh,
At least one. At least one. At least one I could manage.
congratulations, Suraj. Thank you, Keyur. Many congratulations to all lucky winners. Last winner had a gold coin of 10 grams. भाई सब ले गया. सारी उम्मीदें खत्म. So we will honor इतना म्यूजिक डिजर्व नहीं करता मैं.
Let's call Kishore on the stage, please. So this is for 3-year completion
category, and we would like to dedicate again and celebrate for the employees who fall under this category with Archer.
First name, Vivekanand.
Again.
Many congratulations, Vivek.
Nava says they mean a lot to us. And this means a lot to us, Nava.
Geetika Rawat. Geeta Rawat, sorry, my bad. Geeta Rawat.
Congratulations, Geeta.
Rishikesh Patel. Congratulations, Rishikesh. Bhavesh Patel.
Congratulations, Rishikesh and Bhavesh.
Dhaval Punekar. Many congratulations, Dhaval. Kinjal Trivedi. Nishit Shet.
Congratulations, Nishit. Next in line is Arpita Acharya. Congratulations, Arpita. Next is Vishal Surve.
Congratulations, Vishal.
Congratulations, Vishal. Next in line is Jeenal Mayavanshi. Congratulations, Jeenal. Let me just take this. Next is Pritesh Thakur.
Congratulations, Pritesh.
Congratulations, Pritesh. Mr. Vishal Parekh. Congratulations, Vishal. In next is Vidhi Panchal. Vidhi Panchal. Thanks for correcting me, Kishore. Congratulations, Vidhi. I might need another correction here. It's Mukund Ningo. Congratulations, Mukund.
Congratulations, Mukund. के नीले अंबर पर चांद जब
Stop it,
आया।
Kumar, stop it. Please. Do you know in Archer we have one guy who is highly talented. He is a lyricist. He is a music composer. And I believe that he is a complete performer.
Let's not waste the time and call Harpreet Sandhu on stage, which you guys definitely enjoy. Not have.
Walking in. Best of luck.
Hello. Yeah. I would just like to have a bit of a sound check here because I'm getting well versed with the mic right now, and would like to say a few words before I start my song. Okay. तू बन जा ऐसा किस्सा जो तोड़ दे मुझे, जो तोड़ के मरोड़ के फिर जोड़ दे मुझे,
वाह वाह,
जो जोड़ के निचोड़ के करोड़ दे मुझे, तू बन जा ऐसा किस्सा जो अफसोस दे तुझे. Sound please. Yeah. अफसोस. NJ. Let's go. आज हारा मैं फिर से हूँ तुझको, तू जीती क्या उसको जुटा के, माना जीते हम घुट घुट के तुझको, मर के जीना क्यों लगती सजा ने, इतनी दिल लगी उससे क्या तुझको, मैं पराया क्यों सब कुछ लुटा के, क्या मोहब्बत क्या ही भरोसा, ये सिला मिला तुझको लुटा के, हर पल सवालों के मैं लहरों पे होता सवारे, भले तू आए ना आए हम वही खड़े किनारे, तू ही मेरी रजा, तू ही मेरी सजा, हर पल तुझे दिल पुकारे, कैसे भुला दे यादें जो तेरे संग बिताए, तू रात वो काली जो चाह के भी कटती नहीं साली, तू तलाश थी अरसों की प्यास थी, सहने सवाल की बन के कवाली, मेरी रातों की यादों में बसती, तू ही दशहरा तू ही दिवाली, ओ सनम तुझे मेरी कसम अब न टूटे भरम जैसे हायोन मनाली, तू रोक ले मुझको, तू मुझको बचा ले, या तोड़ दे मुझको या मुझको मिटा दे, मैं मुसाफिर मुझको बता दे, राज छुपाए जो मुझको बचा दे, नाम क्या ही सुनाए, दिल की दीवार को क्या ही सजाए, झुकती निगाहों के मैं क्यों खोजूं टूटे सितारे, झूठे थे वादे सारे, न सूझे टूटे हमारे, दे दे कोई वजह हुई कैसी खता, कैसे भूले तुम नजारे, भीगे सिराने जाके न सूखे जख्म हमारे, तू रात वो काली जो चाह के भी कटती नहीं साली, तू तलाश थी अरसों की प्यास थी, सहने सवाल की बन के कवाली, एक बात बता दे पर्दा तू हटा दे, क्यों दिल ये परेशान, दिल की दीवार को आज मिटा दे, एक बात बता दे पर्दा तू हटा दे, रह क्यों बेजुबान तू लफ्ज़ों से दर्द बयान सुना दे, माउथ Thank you very much. Yeah.
What a performance, Harpreet. Thank you so
नींबू
much.
नहीं छोड़ दिया.
And I would like to rap like that one day. Parda tu hata le.
So, my dear Archer family, if you're trying to find this rap on YouTube and Spotify, please stop there, huh? This is Harpreet's own composition. Please
Wow.
put your hands together for that.
Thank you, Jainab, for letting us know. Let's move forward for the next performance. And the next performance is going to present by the team, the Change Squad team.
The team is not only known for the changes that they bring Archer, but the backbones behind each and successful event. Also, they're the coordinators for today's event.
Please welcome Change Squad team.
शाम मस्तान मदहोश किए जाए आगे भूलिया में presents change squad. Music. Sound.
अरे यार आज फिर ऑफिस
कसके जूता कसके बेल्ट उसके अंदर अपनी शर्ट मंजिल को चली सवारी कंधों पे जिम्मेदारी हाथ में फाइल मन में दम मीलों मील चलेंगे हम हर मुश्किल से टकराएंगे टस से मस ना होंगे हम दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो
ठीक है जाता हूँ।
अरे बैग तो लेके जाओ।
ओहो ये बैग भी इतनी भुलक्कड़ है जहाँ रखता हूँ वहीं बैठ जाती। चल ठीक है। ले फिर आ गए। सब रंजित घुसे। तेरे को क्या लगता था कि नहीं लौटेंगे? चला। जब तक तोड़ेंगे नहीं तब तक छोड़ेंगे। पुष्पा 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 राज।
Hello team, this week we will be having appraisal meeting. Oh, I forgot to tell you that appraisal will be based on your individual performances.
ये देना मैं तेरे वास्ते नाची रे देना
क्या चाहिए रे तेरे को? 7 करोड़
150 रुपया देगा।
दिल के
कभी तो किस्मत हाई-फाई हमारी हो, कभी तो टी-शर्ट से मैचिंग फरारी हो, कभी तो बैंक में करेंसी कमारी हो, कभी तो अपनी मैडोना से यारी हो, कभी कभी ऐसा लगे ये भी कम है ख्वाहिशें, खुदा मेरा जब मेरे नज़र मेरी आना तेरा प्यार जिंगल जिंगल सबकी जेबें जिंगल जिंगल अपने पास तो सिक्का सिंगल सोचता है।
You're walking guilty.
हाँ, अरे पूरे 8,535 रुपए 29 पैसे हैं। मैं क्या चिंदी चोर दिखता हूँ?
ओ टूटा टूटा एक परिंदा ऐसे टूटा कि फिर जुड़ ना पाया। लूटा लूटा किसने उसको ऐसे लूटा कि फिर उड़ ना पाया।
तो भला आदमी अपसेट नहीं होगा?
नहीं होगा, चिंता मत कीजिए, भगवान का दिया सब कुछ है।
हाँ, शौहरत है, दौलत है,
इज्जत है।
इज्जत है।
हाँ
इज्जत है
थोड़ी, मतलब
सुनो, जियो, मुस्कुराओ। क्या बोला? कल बोला।
मैं डालू दाल पे पकड़ा तो भाई गिल्ला वाले चल रंग जवाने के बने सभी मत वाले।
Please join all the chase coordinates on the stage.
हेलो तू पोस्ट कर आई येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड टेस्टी चाहिए। हेलो हेलो तू है लगाओ हेलो हेलो।
Rockstars! Good job, guys. Good job, guys. Amazing performance. Celebrate another set of members who have completed 3 years with Archer.
I would like to call Kayur. Please join us on the stage.
Nawa, would you like to join? Thank you, Nawa.
All good.
So, the first name is Namrata Gole. ओहो, जो माइक से बोले.
Many congratulations, Namrata.
Congratulations, Namrata. Next in line is Ravisha Bhatt. Congratulations, Ravisha. Up next, Bharat Kharwa. Congratulations, Bharat. Mr. Ruskin Christian. Congratulations, brother.
Congratulations, Ruskin.
Ashram Subha. I hope I pronounced it correctly. Congratulations. Karen Gamaria. Not in?
He's not here.
Congratulations to him. Next is Bhavin Padiyar. Bhavin. नहीं है? Okay. Moving on. Still रास्ते में है. Okay.
Let's move on. Kishan Patel. Congratulations. Mamta Atmaramani.
She's not in.
Let's move on. Ronak Vader.
Congratulations, Ronak. Congratulations, Cheryl.
Chintan Bhatt. Not here. No. Pankaj Parmar.
Pankaj is not in, I guess.
Mahmood Karadi.
Congratulations, Mahmood bhai. काला चश्मा.
Sahil Qureshi.
Congratulations, child bhai.
Many congratulations, Sahil.
Thank you very much, Nava.
Thank you so much.
For the prize distribution of the Archer Month.
You know, in Archer we have dancers, singers, composers, actors, and more.
Girls, this is just the trailer.
What? Who and what next?
We have painters,
interior designers,
chefs. And on that note, for the No Fire cooking competition that was held, I would like to call Kishore on stage to give away the prize. A huge round of cheers, everyone.
So, the second runner-up for the no fire cooking competition. Any guesses from the audience?
Guesses?
अरे कोई कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है कि हमने अच्छा खाना बनाया?
Sahil is close.
Okay. And the winner for the second runner-up is team number 24. Naveen Kumar, Saloni Kamble, Vishwa Purohit, Jayant More, Santosh Kumar Yadav, Shivam Soni, Suyambhu Ranjan, Alinivas Virani, Keshav Sharma, and Dilip Chaturvedi. Can we please have everyone on the stage?
Congratulations, guys. Naveen! Naveen! Naveen bhai!
Thank you, team. Now, it's time to announce the first runner-up. And, any guesses, team? Oh, okay, the team number 13. And no one is there? Viral Panchal, Suasmita Raut, Oshika Das, Jaya Tilwani, Ashwini, Kunal Chaudhary, Avinash Kumar Singh, Nikhil Thapa, Srija Pillai and Vipul Walvi. Please guys, please come on the stage.
Arre, Walvi sahib.
It's team number 30. Pranav Acharya, Rajiv Sharma, Neeraj Gade, Suraj Sibbe, Jignesh Dave, Jaideep Chaudhary, Kinjal Trivedi, Shubham Raut, Khelan Waghela, Priya Tyagi, and Sandeep Pandey.
Many congratulations, guys.
Many congratulations to all.
For the main decoration competition, I would like to call Nava on stage, please.
Guys, a round of applause for Nava again.
And the second runner-up is, any guesses guys? No energy in audience, so bored. Let me announce the name. Bay number... Bay number 16!
It's my very own team. The ID.
Naveen bhai.
That's called energy.
वरना पीछे ध्यान रखना, वो पहले अनाउंस कर देते हैं. Congratulations, IT.
Congratulations.
Decoration. Bay number It's bay number 21.
This time finance.
Very talented team. Show there's a talent everywhere. Very talented team.
So the winner for the bay decoration competition is bay number 14.
Congratulations, guys. Congratulations. Forum's got all the energy, huh? Forum? All the energy.
So the second runner-up for the painting competition is bay number 9. Can we please have bay number 9 on stage, please?
Any members from bay number 9? Second floor? Basement? Okay.
Medical team. Doctor.
We also have a tie for the second runner-up. So, the another bay for the second runner-up is bay number 11. Can we please have bay number 11?
Deepak Bhai. Rohit. Rohit, come in. Yeah, we'll wait. Come in. Just give him.
The HR bay.
Many congratulations.
Kumar.
Kavita.
Sandra.
Ashish.
It's bay number 17.
Got talent, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Any guesses? You're close, very close. And yes, it is bay number 3. What a painting, yeah. Well done, well done. Yes, they're tired. Kumar, please. So before I move ahead, we had an auction. We had an auction done for the paintings, and I'm really happy to let you guys know that we've collected 71,600 rupees. That sums up to $856 from all the paintings that people have bought. And we are partnering with Dream Care Foundation for doing the CSR activities. Many congratulations to all the winners for making the Archer Month memorable. And also I would like to thank the people who went ahead and bought these paintings for helping the Dream Care Foundation. Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you so much. So we have an important announcement. So with so much of pomp and grandeur, we celebrate this event. We want the world to know what fun it would be working at Archer. To accommodate, now we officially present on social media. I'll request Nava, Kishore, Ashish, Keyur and RK to unveil the poster of social media. Please come on the stage, please.
Guys, please, everybody. So we have some unrevealing of posters now.
Yes.
Yeah, you want me to help you guys?
Yeah. Please come on the stage, please.
Yeah. You can
Follow, subscribe, like and share.
Kisko?
Isko. On the stage, please.
I've done it. I've finally done it.
Yeah, and I'd like to invite Nava on the stage, please.
I'll need both RK and Nava to be on stage. Thank you for letting me do this. Oh, I forgot.
Well, I choose to be away from the limelight and on the dais, but Kumar, you have your performance is directly to me.
Yes.
And Jeet,
now it's fine with it.
I'm behind you.
But what a wonderful evening here, and I really liked it. And there's so much of uncertainty when it comes to the date, and we were expecting our COO to travel here, but she couldn't. We were last-minute changes as part of this overall event that you saw this today. So a special thanks to the Chain Squad team and the event coordinators, and a big shout out to Mihir. Without him, it would be like a nightmare. And Rohit for pulling it out very well, and
thank you, Rohit.
Finance team for approving last-minute requests, and Nava, Kishore, Ashish for approving all that I requested for this event. And a big thanks to you all for making it so wonderful. And let's continue the spirit of teamwork, and let's look forward for one more year. And we'll meet probably in a bigger venue, bigger celebration next year. Okay?
More people.
Thank you very much. Yeah, more people.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, RK.
And
Thank you
now
so much, Nava.
So, what an amazing evening, right, guys? I thank each one of you for being here and appreciating each performances, the people who have been in this organization for 3 years and being patient. I know the food smells good, but yes, there's a little more that is going on. So after witnessing all this amazing performance, including mine, okay, I would want to thank my co-hosts, Zainab, Namrata, and Vishnupriya, and definitely Kumar. They've helped us a lot, and without missing on the inputs that the other people gave in, that is Rohit Bhatt, okay, Sean, thank you very much for helping us in this. RK, thank you for being patient and letting us make a bit of changes here and there. Okay, Kavita, being patient, taking multiple dry runs and ensuring that everything goes well. I hope we've done well on this. Okay, and over to Kumar. He's a little more enthusiastic than me.
So before we closing this, we need to say thanks to Kashif also, who took a lot of efforts for the dry runs, all the selections. Thank you, Kashif.
And I'm sorry I forgot Rijo. Rijo, my brother. I'm sorry.
RJ Riju.
Thank you for all your efforts, bro. Thank you.
So are you people ready?
The
For the
DJ
dance?
is waiting. Let's go ahead and move these chairs and start the party. Begin dancing on the DJ. Thank you very much. It was a great evening.
Thank you, everyone.
And you were great guests here. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much.